EBS Fast Restore. Empty EBS volumes receive their maximum performance the moment that they are created, and do not require initialization or pre-warming. However, volumes that were created from snapshots can cause a significant increase in the latency of I/O operations the first time each block is accessed. Volume performance is achieved after all blocks have been downloaded and written to the volume. To avoid this initial performance hit, you can enable Fast Snapshot Restore. It ensures that the EBS volumes created from it are fully initialized at creation, and instantly deliver all of their provision performance. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.